If you've got a gas installation service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your business, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple website on the Marti Sites platform for your gas installation service. If you haven't heard of Marti Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, gas installation service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. All right, let's come out to a few basic details about our business name, our city and our state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Marti Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marti Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marti Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content that was pre-written for you. Perhaps you don't offer all these services and you want to change it. No problem. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding, be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers to see, so I'm going to go ahead and check that box. Excellent. Let's go ahead and pop in our phone number over here. That's click to call, by the way. And physical location, if you have one, pop it in. Maybe you're only a mobile business and you want to leave it off. But if not, pop it in over here. And when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons for your social channels will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking on that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. If you'd like to change the colors that were pre-selected for you, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many to choose from and you don't need to know any color coding whatsoever. Now, for each section, you want to maybe change the images, make it a bit more personalized. Click on Update section. Under Update Images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through that photo library. There's hundreds of free high-quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account. And Update Action, we have those call to action buttons for your business. You can change the text on the buttons and where they link to. You can even upload a PDF file under that option as well. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your Marti dashboard. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can absolutely connect it by clicking on this yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can purchase a custom domain via the Marti Sites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your business, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marti success.